Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. So today sorry the lighting is a bit bad there, so it's better. So today we're going to do a little bit of a straight different sort of vlog. We're actually going to Cowbridge, which is in the Vale of Glamorgan, near where we live. It's about 20 minutes away. And we're going to the Milkshed to get some milkshakes and some fresh eggs and veg, whatever we can get. It's a 24-hour unmanned milk shed from a local farm. They do like lots of fresh fruit, veg, eggs, milkshakes. Pretty good really. Sorry, I think that paused there, my battery's low. So obviously there is cameras in there, and they have an honesty box where you purchase your stuff on your card. You have stuff, you put cash in the honesty box. So we're literally going to head off now in a minute. So I'll just show you what I'm wearing, because it's quite a nice day today. I've literally got my sliders on, cream tracksuits, a polo shirt, and my holiday glasses. So yeah, it's a lovely day today, so we're literally going to head off now. So see you in the van. So my other half has just remembered the pizza we cut the other day, so we're literally warming the last slice for the pizza, and it's yummy but hot. Oh my god, I know when they say like when we have food the next day or the day after, it actually tastes very nice, and this is really nice. So I'm going to tuck into this. I literally saw this in the fridge that we had the other day, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to eat it. It's just like a custard strawberry mousse, so very yummy. I'll tuck into this now. It's good. So we are on the way, just leaving our street. These are actually our milk bottles we have for the milkshakes and milk from Llanfrynach farm. There's my other half, he doesn't want to be in the camera, so that's fine. But they're the milk bottles. We also have some chocolate for the way other brands are available. We also got our dog, Buddy. Good boy, take him for a ride to the field. Take him for a run. Chocolate is very yummy. It's actually from Aldi's. And it's just basic chocolate with hazelnut, and it's lovely. We buy it all the time, and it's so nice and so cheap as well. Yeah, thank you. He likes the smell of me. Free sampling boots the other day. Give me a kiss, come here. You're a good boy, you. Actually headed into the Vale of Glamorgan out near Cowbridge, which is the posh end of South Wales. It's all countryside and farm villages Look at that, he just undone my seatbelt. He's put his paw on there and undone my seatbelt. Buddy, what are you doing? So we've actually stopped in the garage. Buddy's obviously crying for his dad. Buddy, come here. Buddy. So yeah, we've stopped in the garage and should be on our way down that way in a couple of minutes. So yeah. God, it's a warm one today, guys. I'm literally boiling. I wish I'd put shorts on. I'm literally in joggers and a short sleeve, but it's really warm today. So yeah, thank God we got some nice weather and the rain have finally buggered off. Actually going under the 48 that goes from Cardiff, or Newport rather, through Cardiff all the way to Bridgend. Derelict School. Lovely houses down here. This is Cowbridge, everybody. Little update for you guys, a little quick pit stop at the horse feed place. My partner's gone to get some stuff for his ponies, and he's literally just got us a drink as well, so I'm going to devour some Coke. I shouldn't be drinking Coke in this weather, it just makes me more thirsty, but you know when it's so cold and fizzy and it just really quenches your thirst, it's lovely. So yeah, we're literally here now, and then we'll head off, make our way to the Milkshed, which is about 5 minutes from here, so not too far, but yeah, see you soon. Ready? Some that. Better than full sugar Coke. So nice. So guys, I thought I'd show you this milk bottle. It's literally from the Milkshed, which is, we've got two, one there and one there. It's Llanfrynach farm in Cowbridge, lovely print on there. And it's 1 litre fresh pasteurised whole milk, which later on we'll have milkshakes in there, and they're absolutely beautiful. Obviously we got two of these, so we just bring the bottles each time. We don't need to purchase more bottles unless you want an additional milkshake for like a gift or mum or something, or we just bring our bottles each, and Neil has a silver lid, I have a gold lid, and yeah, that's the bottle. We're just like 2 minutes away from the Milkshed now, so it's just down this road and up the hill on the left, so evening. It's just literally right there. We've arrived, let's go. Would help if I had a bottle. Neil, bottle. Hey.
Take a blueberry as well.
Yeah. Might have to try that.
I think I need to try a blueberry.
Oh no.
Just jump up and down and if I got it. Hey! Bud! Sit down! Blueberry. Very blue, is it?
Guys, got my blue raspberry milkshake, and it tastes absolutely beautiful. That is it. It's literally £1.50 for the milk. It's 50 pence for 2 shots of the syrup. And they also do eggs and fresh fruit and veg, like you saw. Bottles are able to purchase in the machine, and the eggs at £2.50, and that's the milk cat. It's literally great. It's obviously cameraed, it's monitored, but it's a 24-hour help yourself. So yeah, can't wait to check into this. Blue raspberry. Lush. So Hubby got a blueberry, which looks basically like milk. There's a tiny like grey tint to it, but it's absolutely stunning. I do like my blue raspberries because it's blue, but this is blueberry, which is kind of like a milk colour, but it tastes absolutely beautiful, so he's going to enjoy that. Now on our way home with our delicious milkshakes. Just coming through Cowbridge main town. We're coming towards the end of it now. Shops are sort of back up that way, so this is obviously the way out of the town. We go left soon, and then we go home in about 10-15 minutes. So yeah, that is the end of my vlog for today, guys, going to the Milkshed in Cowbridge. I hope you did like the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It does always help the channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.